Hi guys, it's Miss Claire and today I'll be doing a review and unboxing video just for you. So, you've seen a few of my posts lately showing off my new ADATA External SSD, which is the 1TB SE770G. And I figured that it was about time to actually make a review and tell you guys what I really think about it based on using it for the last 3 weeks. So, first things first. As some of you know that I actually started streaming originally on PlayStation. I know I don't stream on it as much anymore, but as soon as I get a PS5, you'd expect it periodically again. Because there's just something so special about holding a controller in your hand instead of the traditional keyboard-mouse combo on your computer. Not to mention VR. Okay guys, honestly, don't make fun of me because I look absolutely ridiculous walking around my studio because I lose all sense of spatial reality. Okay, so anyways, as you've all seen my PS4 in the background on my streams, and one of the main reasons why I don't play on it as much as I used to is because my drive started filling up, and with the lockdowns, going out to buy this isn't just as convenient as it used to be. So, ADATA got in touch and asked me if I'd like to test out their new ADATA SE770G. I obviously said yeah. So, here it is. Here's the box. Let's try to focus if we could. Okay. It comes in both 512GB and 1TB variations. And as you can see, it specifically advertises that it works great with PS5 and Xbox Series X and S. I only have a PS4, but it works great with that too. Really great. So, like I told you before, that I've been using this for the past few weeks to get a real feel for it. But I put everything back in the box so I could do a real unboxing video for you. So, let's open the box. It comes with a manual, quick start guide for new users. I didn't need to read this, by the way, because I know the basics already. But for younger people, this will be helpful. Comes with the 2 cables and the actual drive. Oh my god, I can't believe how tiny this thing is. I just stopped to admire how tiny this thing is. I can fit it in my tiny pockets. Like, oh my god, I mean seriously, it's smaller than my phone. And it weighs next to nothing. This is a really tiny drive for an external. I can't believe it's 1TB. That's great. Okay, so here comes the 2 cables. Okay. This is the... Okay. There you go. This is the standard cable to use with the PS5, I assume. And also for your computer if you have USB-C. As you can see, this is just a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. It is really short, so you don't have to worry about cables being everywhere or spending a bunch of time on cable management because the cable is really short. The cables being this short really screams portability paired with its small form factor. I can easily grab the drive and the cable throw it in my purse or stuff it in my pocket and be on my way, no problem. So, if you, like me, only have a PS4 or want to use it on the computer but have an older motherboard, this thing does come with a backward compatible cable. This is it. Okay, as you can see, it's the same length, but it has a standard USB end instead of the newer USB-C format. I did some speed tests with some huge files on it. And with using the USB-C, you do get a faster read-write speed at around 1000 megabits per second. Whereas with the backward compatible cable, it's going to be about 450 megabits per second, which is still blazing fast considering. So speaking of speed, okay guys, honestly, this thing runs faster than the hard drive built into my PS4. Installing the same games and media on this drive, they load much faster than the hard drive built into my PS4 by default. So even if you didn't have the same problem as I did, running out of space because you're such a gamer fan girl or boy that you're downloading all the expansion packs, concept arts, etc., this thing is going to give you a big boost in performance and give you a better overall experience. Trust me. I really just can't get over how portable this thing is. And what makes it even more portable is that, like I said before, it is an SSD, not a hard drive. So there are no moving parts in it you have to worry about. That makes it even more durable than any non-SSD. One of my favorite things, and I know it's not that big of a deal, but I love lights. I mean, look around my studio and check out some of the videos and pictures of my studio. And you know, I love colorful lights. So it's a cool little bonus that the SE770G has a really cool rainbow LED pattern whenever it's in use. I'm such a geek, but hey, that sort of stuff makes me happy. So overall, based on my use of it for the last few weeks, for both my PS4 gaming and as well as my computer for moving and for working on videos and stream recordings, I highly recommend it. If you go in the market, it's like one of the best drive I used to date. I really am so impressed with this little thing. So anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. If you didn't, that's fine too. I check all comments guys and love interacting with you. See you in the next one. Bye!